Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've seen some more lower level clouds reaching into the Wallops region this morning from the east. We're seeing some of those clouds begin to make their way into the area, and we're going to see that low cloudiness hang on for the next couple of hours before we see a little bit more sunshine as we go into the afternoon. That onshore flow should continue throughout the day today, so temperatures likely a couple of degrees cooler than what we've seen over the last few days, which should limit our instability and our chances for any kind of shower or thunderstorm development as we go into the afternoon today. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary that has been very close to the Delmarva Peninsula for the last several days has made its way a little farther south this morning. High pressure off to the north, and that's combining to give us that onshore flow, which has brought our temperatures down a couple of degrees since yesterday. But we are going to continue to see lots of moisture and humidity in the area for today and as we continue on for the next several days. But like I said, not looking for as high a percentage chances of precipitation as we go through today and throughout the next several days here on into the weekend. I want to take a look here at our current radar. You can see really nothing in the Wallops area, just a few showers well off to our south, and we're going to continue to see dry conditions through the morning hours and very likely on into the afternoon hours as well, as most of that activity stays well to our south. Looking at our visible satellite imagery, you can see here a little bit of a difference in our cloud movement at the low levels of the atmosphere. Most of those clouds are streaming in from the east. We are seeing actually a little bit clearer conditions right along the coastline. Wallops Island has seen sunnier conditions this morning than the main base has, but that general flow is generally off the ocean with that onshore flow, and we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy to overcast skies here as a result over the course of the next few hours, and then maybe a little bit more sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours today. We'll look here at our short-range model and what we can expect throughout the day today. You can see, again, most of that activity for shower and thunderstorm development staying well to our south and east as we go through the morning and then into the afternoon, looking at pretty nice conditions continuing. Just a very slight chance that we could see a light rain shower later this evening around 7 o'clock, where the model is showing a little bit of activity here moving north through the Delmarva around that time, but it doesn't look like we're going to see much in the way of any kind of significant rainfall as we go through the evening hours. Looking to the overnight period, you can still see mostly dry conditions, but I do think we'll see that low cloudiness and patchy fog return to the area overnight tonight and into the early portions of Friday, where we could see kind of a repeat of what we saw this morning with those low clouds. I think a little bit better chance tomorrow morning of actually seeing some patchy fog around as well as we start our day on Friday. Then as we go into the morning and afternoon hours, you can see very widely scattered showers. Looks like we're only going to see about a 15% chance of any kind of shower or thunderstorm development as we go into the afternoon. This model is actually a little bit more robust on its activity than some of our other models are showing for the day on Friday, so only looking at about a 15% chance. I want to take a look here at our longer term model and what we can expect as we go through the weekend. Then we're going to pause it here on Saturday. You can see most of the shower activity is off to our south and off to our north. We're kind of in between, but could see a scattered shower possibly on Saturday, although I think the chances are going to be pretty low for Saturday, and especially as we go into Sunday, looking at pretty low chances for any kind of rain activity impacting the Wallops region for your Sunday and on into Monday, looking at dry conditions continuing for the first part of next week. Now, as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, this model here, the GFS, is looking at potential for some shower and thunderstorm development for both Tuesday and Wednesday here at Wallops. Some of our models are in disagreement and paint more of a dry picture for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So that is something we'll monitor and try to pinpoint as we go through the next couple of days, as that forecast in the extended term looks a little bit undecided as of this point. But all in all, looking at a pretty dry next several days, as we're going to see pretty low chances for precipitation as we go throughout the extended period. Now I want to take a look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing generally a northeast direction in our winds at the low levels, becoming westerly in direction and increasing with those wind speeds as we go up in height up to the 25,000 foot level. We see a southwesterly wind at 40 knots, freezing level at 13,500 feet. And your forecast for the next 24 hours, really the only hazard that we are monitoring will be those low cloud ceilings below 500 feet. Chance of seeing those over the course of the next hour or two look to be decreasing as we go through the morning hours, and especially into the afternoon hours. We'll see those ceilings well above 500 feet and seeing some sunshine as well this afternoon. Now as we go into the evening hours, the chance of some low clouds and fog will redevelop across the region, and looking at a pretty good bet that we will see those cloud ceilings below 500 feet after midnight tonight. Again, very slight chances for precipitation today. Probably the best chance will be between 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and only looking at about a 10% chance of any kind of rain shower activity. Now looking at your extended forecast, we're going to see a little bit better chance tomorrow, especially during the afternoon hours, of some showers and thunderstorms. They will be fairly isolated across the Delmarva, so looking at about a 15% chance here at Wallops, and then on into the weekend, chances look pretty slim for those showers and thunderstorms. Can't rule out an isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm on Saturday, but looking at chances less than 10% of that occurring. And then on to Sunday and the Monday, we're looking at dry conditions and some very warm and humid conditions as well. Sunday looks like we'll easily make it into the low 90s, 92 degrees, your expected high temperature for Sunday. And then to start next week, we're looking at similar conditions with highs in the upper 80s, lots of humidity in the area, and we will see those scattered showers and thunderstorms possible on Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.